Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been over a month since I've uploaded a video. There's been a lot going on with the store opening, work, with a lot of things like the election period, which was really kind of stressful with everybody going against each other. My mental health was just not there, but I'm gonna sit myself down. I'm gonna go through with today. I'm gonna go through with what I was supposed to do, not supposed to do, but what I wanted to do, what was suggested to me. And so I want to see how it's gonna come out, because once again, I didn't plan this look. I just want to see like where it goes. But today's look would be, this will probably be the last look I'm gonna do in regards to this Pokemans. It'll be Umbreon. So Umbreon was suggested to me by a very close friend of mine. I guess he was enjoying the series I've been doing so far, and he wanted me to do Umbreon, and I was like, okay, let's give it a shot. Alright, so I got some new products today that I've been wanting to try out. I got a new eyeshadow primer, or base, or one of those two. So I'm no longer using Tarte Shape Tape. I actually have the Louise. There we go. So this is gonna be my base for the eyeshadows from now on. I've tried it for my birthday look, and I really liked how the eyeshadows like literally stay there throughout the whole day, like no budging or anything like that. It was just still pigmented, it was so bright, it was so shiny and glittery, because I love my glitters. So this is what I'm going to be using today for my eyeshadow base. And I'm going to be using some products that I got in a boxy charm. I'm excited to use. It's like, I think that's a cool thing to get or use, or I've always wanted to try it. So I have this sponge today. I just fell in love with Real Technique sponges because they are really good to use. Like the other ones I've used was a powder sponge. I bought a 2 set where one was a powder, the other one's liquid. So let's see what that. So one of the box and charm items that I got in this month's box was this little eyeshadow. It's not even palette. Single eyeshadow from Dose of Colors, and it's called I Need Space. It's pretty freaking pretty, yo. Glitter. So I'm gonna be using that towards the outer crease and inside. Gonna be trying to creating a little halo look for it. So I really tried to see like what other looks can I come up with for Umbreon. I'm gonna try and do it justice. Will I? Next, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Naughty palette, which I like because it's like nudes and whatnot. Pretty colors. So I'm going to be dipping into Tantric and Flower Power to kind of get the gold yellow there in between. So next I'm gonna go and do eyeliner, a Better Than Sex eyeliner by Too Faced. Next I'm going to be going in with the other thing I got from BoxyCharm, which is Milk Makeup. Kush Waterproof Mascara. Ooh. Look how they're popping. I'm gonna be using the Mercier blurring primer. I'm gonna be putting it around my face. My face not happy with me. And now I'm gonna be using this foundation, which I bought, never got around to using because this was around the time where I was about to film my next video, but then stuff happened. But I'm gonna use it today. And just look at the difference. Oh my god. It's like all my problems went away. If only. Not happy. My skin is not happy. So I will be using Too Faced Born This Way Concealer as my concealer. This one does work well with other foundations. Let's see how it does with this foundation. going to be setting it with the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. I just skipped this step. I just realized I went up too fast because I usually do bronzer before setting. I'm going to be using PUR. It's medium tan. So I'm going to see how that looks, but I love the color schemes in this. I don't know, as a highlighter I'm scared because it looks too dark, but I'm going to dip into that bronzer there. Too dark? We find out. Now I'm going to be dipping into the powder. I don't put a lot of powder because I'm scared of how maybe white or pale it's going to make me look. I just put a little bit and I just brush off right away. I'm scared to bake. From the same PUR face palette, I'm going to be using the blush from there. Very nice, very nice. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I'm actually going to do the inner corner of my eye just so they can pop a little bit more with the same Tantric from the same palette. I'm gonna use Huda Beauty Lifeliner, but I'm gonna use the pencil liner just to fill in there the waterline. Give it that dark look, yes. Using the Eyeliner Urban Decay setting spray highlighter from Becca Cosmetics. Oh, what is bothering me? I'm gonna pack it on while it's still wet just to get that extra glow. I gotta get more highlighters though, because I feel like I barely have it. Now I'm gonna be doing something that I actually haven't done before, and that is lip liner with lipsticks. I'm gonna be using this one. I don't know how it's gonna look on me. That's what I'm here for, to try it out, to see how it looks. Lip liner first. I guess it came out okay. Now, Rare Beauty lipstick in Fearless. Let's see how fearless is, you know. without it being more brown, but I like it. I honestly like it. I think it goes well together. So I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna do my hair and show you how it looks with my hair finished. Here's the look with my hair done. I really like how it came out, especially all the as I was doing my hair, I just kept looking at the eyeshadow and how glittery it was, and I love glitter. It's gorgeous. Yeah, my breathing's heavy, sorry. But thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate all the support and all the messages I've been getting throughout this whole process, throughout my whole break from filming. But I am motivated to film more. I am wanting to do more looks. I just need more looks planned. I am thinking of doing a festive look since we are in the month of November, which is Thanksgiving, and December is just less than a month away. I was gonna say a month. No wait, yeah, it's still a month away, duh. I'll be doing a look for Christmas as well. And also, if you guys have any suggestions, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best with it. I am self-taught. I am trying to like be more creative as I go, so I'll try to do my best to do more. But thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon.